everybody, and welcome back to Lizard Man! And as you can see here, what's your name?
Ethan Huddleston.
Yep, and we went in another game. We played a game.
So many people are playing.
I know.
Can you buddy me? Can you buddy me?
Buddy.
Whatever.
He plays Animal Jam. So these are the friend list. I have a lot of friends.
Can you
don't ask.
Buddy me, whatever, friend me.
Alright, type in your name real quick.
Okay.
We played with him on Animal Jam. If you never saw it, go check the last video playing with my friend Ethan.
It's this one.
Okay.
Add friend.
Add friend. Now
It's me, Ethan. Yep,
when you go home, you can go see it. Oh, the badges you have. You got badges. Let's go back. Alright, so we are here. I'm going to play this game. I haven't showed you this game at all. And I'm pretty sure you've never heard this. Right? You never seen this game? Yeah. It's awesome. It's really fun. Okay? Blah, blah, blah. Oh, I need a... What happened to our screen? Oh, there it is. It's back.
What is the game called?
It is Build a Boat for Treasure.
Build a boat.
And I've been playing this game, and I made this boat. Ready? This is the best boat I ever made.
How'd you get Robux?
No, this is Robux. Look at this boat. It's still loading. I made this boat. Oh, it's still going. And I think it's done. So, we got some...
You didn't make a...
Oh, that's my flag.
Oh, that's it.
Right there. Alright. So, you got some passenger seats right here. You got the control panels that do absolutely the controls for the cannon. And then we have the captain's quarters. Right in here, you go in, close the door. You sit down here. There's supposed to be a little desk. You got some windows to check out. This is the game. You build a boat, right?
Mm-hmm.
You say set sail. And
here in the water.
Yep, my boat is actually floating. Even though it's like 100 pounds, I don't care. It floats. Alright, so there it is.
How do you get treasure?
This is what it is. You build a boat. You don't need to build...
Does it give you Robux or anything?
No, it just gives you more money, which I have enough to actually buy a rare chest. To buy that, you get more blocks to build a bigger ship. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to get in the captain's quarters right now.
I want to make a ship or like this.
I got... What is that? Wait a second. What was that?
What
What was that? Oh no!
It was me.
No!
What happened? What happened?
Okay, there you go. I know why it's not working, but... So this is what happens. Your boat goes down this river and there's rocks that will destroy your boat. And some blocks are stronger than the others. Wood blocks are the weakest. That's why I build them on top of everything. And do not fall out of the boat. I'm going to get the captain's quarters real quick.
Where are we?
We are... Oh no, we're in a swamp. There's different areas, and they all have a different effect. Some of them are storming, and you could get struck with thunder. This is the swamp area, and it's got a lot of rocks. Oh my word, look at this already. We already have a hole, and you do not sink in this game. All you do is build a boat, and hopefully you don't land in the water. If you land on the water, your health goes down. So I built this boat out of the strongest materials I had. The bottom was made out of I think it was like not sandstone, but like cement. I think it was made out of cement. It doesn't give us names, but I'm going to fire my cannon. Cannon, fire there. No, cannon. The cannon. Then when it goes like that, you click on something, you click it right, you destroy something. You cannot destroy other enemy ships. I want them to update it so you can destroy enemy ships, right? That would be fun. Like you could have an enemy ship right there, and you're just shooting each other with cannons. That would be fun. But you cannot destroy any ships with them. Oh no, we're in a storm. Look. If you look, there's actually thunderbolts that are striking us. Captain! Captain! We are losing. We are taking on water. We are in a storm. Captain! How do we get out? We're getting zapped. We have holes. We have holes.
I don't see any holes. Oh, yeah.
Yeah. My ship was so strong. My ship was made for this. Other people's ships, they're just there for, like, decorations or something, and they're made with the worst. Uh-oh! I almost never pass this part. If you get hit by a boulder, it's over, pretty much. Almost nothing can survive this boulder. If they smash... Oh, no! Oh, that hurt.
You did it.
Alright. My rusted metal survives, but I know it's weakened. You can't tell if it's weakened, but if it gets smashed with a rock... Oh, no!
What is this?
Stay in here. There's castles with cannons that keep shooting at you. Uh-oh. My ship is so strong! Literally, it took me forever to come up with this design. Oh my word. My cannon's open. You never want, what? Oh, what the? See, they just make random designs. They never make a boat that can actually last. Those are all chairs. Like these chairs right here. They're all made of that. Oh no!
What is this one?
This is where the waters become shallow. This one I almost never survive, literally. The rocks are huge, and they keep grinding on the boat. Oh my word. See these rocks? If you are like right above them, it literally grinds your boat. Look at this. It's literally grinding my boat into pieces. It's destroying my boat. No matter what you have. Look at my cannon! How is it floating? It's like wheels in there, but... Oh no. Let's grab my cannon. Look at this. Oh no, we're lucky. We won't get hit by a rock. Imagine how lucky that is. Rocks are... Look at that over there.
That person's saying something.
Oh no.
The person just said
I don't
something.
want to know because I actually reported a player because they called me a bad word. It's the other word for a butt.
Oh, I know.
I know. Yeah. I'm not allowed to say. Oh no!
What is it?
These are mines.
Oh, did you see what it did in the back?
Oh no!
What's your hair?
It exploded my hair! Aliens!
Alien.
Please don't tell me they will like pick you up and... Oh no, they do! See the beam?
Oh yeah.
I think they will. Oh my word, the captain's quarters is destroyed. Look at it. I don't think I'm gonna go in there. I'm just gonna shut the door so I don't need to bother. Oh no, there's a lot of mines in this one. Nothing bad, just rusted metal with a whole bunch of mines. I think it's over for us. And you cannot use your cannons to blow up the mines. The mines will only blow up if it touches a boat.
The mines.
Some people are actually really smart by placing blocks all around your boat, and it goes forward. It's in front of your boat, so it'll hit rocks before it hit. Oh no!
What?
I'm not surviving this.
What?
First off, there's hundreds of big old rocks. Then there's a stinking chain with...
What's going?
There's spikes literally charging right at it. And
Oh, look at your...
I'm not getting underneath. I'm not gonna jump and get out of my boat. Oh, okay. Our boat decided. Oh shoot.
Go.
I might need to get out of my seat to get to this one soon. Oh my. Oh no! I got 71 gold.
Ooh, that's a lot. Can I try now?
All right. Let's play a little bit easier game. Let's play a game. I'm awesome at playing. I haven't shown you this game.
I want to play something.
Yeah, you'll play this game. I have. Did this thing stop? No, it didn't. I thought the camera stopped. We still got
It's
time.
only been 9 minutes.
I know. No!
It's not even on sound.
No, it is on sound. This is just another, like a microphone that connects.
I played Escape Target. I won.
I never played that. It's just there. Alright, this is the game I've been playing. It's Dragon Ball Super 2. I am level 300 and something.
Wow.
Because of Shenron. Shenron, make me stronger. And he gave me 100 levels. It's insane. It's so bright. Alright. There's Super Saiyan 3 Goku. No, that's Vegeta. I think Yamcha. I think. Oh wait. Alright. Hey, I'm just gonna start game. Alright, so I look like... No! Don't cover up the camera! Alright, so as you can see, my character looks like Goku because his looks the best. Now the hairstyle, what happens when you go Super Saiyan stuff.
What? Super versus...
No!
Super versus... Super Saiyan.
I need to go down here and literally exit. You press that. Okay.
Back
up here.
No.
Well, we need to think of a game fast, so I need to get this game loading. I'm going to pause this until we can get us. Alright, we finally got it to work, and Ethan's going to be playing this game, so here's your stuff. And if you want to punch, you got to press E. If you want to, no. Use WSD to move around. WSD. And A. That's how you move around. Then you do E for the punch. You haven't loaded in yet. And you I think there's something wrong with we recording.
Wait, is it raining? Oh, it's raining, so it should be bad. Because the rain's getting on the thing. So,
I guess we want to play this game, but I have a game that he might like. No, what the? Dude! Sorry everyone, this video is actually going to be a little bit short online because something is going wrong with...
It's raining.
Yeah, it's raining.
It's bad
Something's
connection
going wrong. Something's going wrong with the network or something because Roblox isn't working and I don't know why the boat game was working, right?
Yeah, because it wasn't raining and then just
it started to rain
and lost the connection.
and then it got lost of connection or something like that. So we cannot continue. I was gonna play Animal Jam, so he can play because we played Animal Jam with him before. What have I done? Alright. So that's what's gonna happen. We're gonna have to leave. So this is the final thing you will see. Bye! And also don't forget to go, link in the description is Ethan's channel. So bye!